So we weren't going to stay in Playa del Carmen for January, but we decided it would be easier as we have somewhere to be nearby in early February. This apartment here is very close to Fifth, so it's also really close to the beach. As you know, the high season anywhere, short-term rental prices will go up. We're paying around 18,000 pesos for the month, so that's around 1,200 Canadian plus electricity. It is quite small compared to the last two places that we stayed in, but in the last minute, this is what we found, and working with the owner was really easy. You can definitely find cheaper places the further you are from the beach. Absolutely love the rooftop area. Check it out. Good old Dick and Willie's. Wasn't the clearest this day. It honestly changes from day to day. It was still so beautiful nonetheless. About me, I'm a sucker for souvenir shops. Just on our way now to the Ferry dock area to grab some tickets to get over to Cozumel, a long overdue trip for us.
the other chicken willies. They do like slushy cocktail drinks there. It's fun. So the other bus terminals, this is where, if you're taking it from the airport, it'll drop you off. So Benito Juarez, up here you'll find a lot more like affordable shopping if you don't need anything like too fancy. A lot of knockoffs. You see everyone coming off the ferry. Oh my god, he's standing on that thing! That guy was just jumping on that. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god! What are they doing?
We have been in Playa for some time now, and this is the first time I stopped to watch these guys. They are called Voladores de Papantla. Sorry if I mispronounced that. My sister-in-law told me the name. Shout out to Crystal in LA.
Chicken Willie's number 3. Almost made it to the tickets. Hola, buenos días. Oh shit. So you'll just come here. I just paid 910 pesos for 2 adults. It's to take you there and to take you back. And there. And you can go whatever day you want, whenever you want. It's great. Right next to Senor Bronx. I don't think he knows how to use. Oh my god. If you want to come and have a drink right over here, I probably wouldn't recommend it. It smells so bad. But the bar is lots of fun. There are the boats. I've read and heard it takes about 20 minutes. The magic number. Right over there, and then the tickets are right there.
heading back towards 5th, we're going to be passing through Paseo del Carmen, one of the shopping malls in town. I have a few things to buy, so I'm going to leave you guys here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.